Hi everyone, this is Honda 98 model, a code in this shape. Customer lost his key, so they're impossible if we open this to find the code. But I have opened this lock from here. See, there I have removed, and there I have found his code. See, I will explain. Sabar. See, there is his code. So now I'm going to cut the key. I will show the process. Okay, see, I have entered his code, so key became like this. So now I'm going to cut. I will show the process how we can cut. Okay, see, key coming in this shape. Okay, so I am going to cut now. See, I am fixing there. Okay, so finished our key. So now I'm going to check. See, 100% correct, nothing different. Okay, 100% our key correct. So now we should be copy the chip of old key and we should be fixed there in this key. This is really old, but this is new to security. Okay, see, I have mentioned already code there. Okay, there. Like this we should be find the code. I will explain there. Easy. We should become to our lost key. Okay, this is Honda. There we should be go. Okay, Honda, this Honda. Okay, now there he write 5409. Okay, 5409. Okay, now we should be try to find. Okay, given this. Okay, this is code. Okay, but one thing everyone should be remember, sometime there is one or two lever change. You can change there. All code same, but only one lever I have changed. Okay, I have cut before one key, but that is all properly. Okay, but one lever was wrong, so I have cut that. Okay, thanks everyone, but I will show the process. This is his ignition switch, but I not open his ignition switch. Okay, we can cut by this. Okay, see, okay, our process complete, but I will show how we can program. Okay, yeah. This is old key but broken, so his chip shape we can copy and we can do program by this chip. So now I will explain the process. Our key process complete. Okay, so now we are going to bake and explain how we can copy. First of all, we should be check this is which one chip, 4D or 46. We didn't know about this chip. Okay, first time I'm copying this. Okay, this type 13 transponder, so it should be coffee. Okay, chip. Okay, and continue. See, our process complete. Now we should be keep this chip. Della pozulkinler alacağız. Restart. Now we should be close this. This chip types. See, transponder 13. Okay, transponder 13 is impossible with everyone. A pond. This is so old model, but we can generate by phone. Okay, so our process complete and we are going to fix. Okay, so see, our process is complete. Okay, %100% okay. Okay, there is this lock. Okay, now we should be fix this. Okay, okay, this you fix there. Okay, it's closed like this. Okay, there coming this lock. This is for nothing. Okay, now we are going to check all car. Is our key correct? Okay, working properly. See, okay, properly. Correct. So, see, sometimes if you cannot find there his decode, so you can remove this also. See, this also can remove. This also can remove from here, and you can find his code there. Okay, so bye bye. Should be must subscribe our channel and share also. Okay, and like. Okay, thanks everyone.